I've realized is कि Gen Z बहुत ज़्यादा social media influenced है.
Yes.
They are far from reality. And अभी इतना तो minimum मिलना ही चाहिए मैम. इससे कम में तो होगा ही नहीं. अच्छा तुम्हारा experience क्या है? मैंने एक mid-size firm से किया है articleship.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of CA Beyond Practice, where we spotlight the brave, brilliant and the bold chartered accountants who have dared to rewrite their rule books. I'm your host CA Harsha Agarwal. Our guest tonight is just not a pioneer in thought but also in action. I'm talking about someone who is just not a chartered accountant by qualification but also an entrepreneur by choice. She is the founder of India's first portal exclusively for chartered accountants called www.cajobportal.com. She identified this hiring vacancy space and decided to bridge it by finding right jobs for financial professionals. Welcome the ever expiring CA Sonia Singhal. So CA Sonia ji, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
And I'm really happy you are here and have taken out time for our podcast. So take us through your journey, through your CA journey. How was it? आपने क्या initially thought किया था कि you would complete your CA, and just take our viewers through your journey.
So I'm a 90s kid.
Okay.
So as you might be knowing कि उस टाइम पे बहुत सारी families उतनी ज़्यादा supportive नहीं थी with girl education.
Right.
So I was the first in the family to complete a CA degree.
Wow.
So you can say I was blessed to have friends who were career oriented and as well as supportive parents. फिर थोड़ा बहुत घर में भी like my father's brothers, the younger ones, they pursued CA. तो एक ट्रैक बन जाता है जिसकी वजह से इतना मुश्किल नहीं हुआ. बट गिवन कि मेरी बुआ एंड ऑल उन लोगों को तो ग्रेजुएशन भी बड़ी मुश्किल से घटने मिला था. तो इट इज समथिंग आई चेरिश कि हाँ मुझे मेरे पेरेंट्स ने सपोर्ट किया एंड आई वाज एबल टू कंप्लीट माय सीए and then pursue my dreams. So this is how it's all started.
Well, congratulations on that. I understand things were not that in favor and support in those days, but breaking through that and getting a degree is really a great achievement.
Yeah.
So just after you completed your CA, was it like you got into job or practice?
So I had started the job before qualifying.
Okay.
So मैंने first attempt में clear नहीं किया था CA. So I had given my exams and started appearing for interviews, and I managed to crack it with Deloitte.
Okay.
And I was there. I had joined 3 months before the results were out. So I just gave the exams and went for a job. So I was not sure whether I would qualify or not, and whether giving exams again would be a difficult task to manage along with job.
Okay.
But I just took the plunge and it worked out for me. I cleared and then it was the happiest day of my life.
So this was in Kolkata or Deloitte?
No, I was in Hyderabad.
Oh wow.
I joined the assurance practice there.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So how long you was there, and how did this idea of job portal came into your mind?
Okay. So I was working with Deloitte for close to 2 years, and then my father proposed marriage. So I had to come back to Calcutta, and then marriage happened, then early kid. So I had to leave the job then. And then after my kid was 1 year now, Anurag, my husband, he had to go for a 1-year MBA at IIM Ahmedabad. So I was tagged along to, for PGPX, they give you 1 BHK flats.
Okay.
You can stay there with your families. So I was there with him on the campus, and there the idea of CA Job Portal came.
Wow.
So yes, it started all from the campus. So we had realized this, that after a sabbatical, it's very difficult for a woman to get a job. So getting back to job was very difficult. So we realized there is a gap which needs to be filled. Why not create a portal which can support women like me who were on sabbatical and could go back to job, or retired professionals who are very good at their work but have retired and now want something to just get engaged with. So these were the few ideas that came into my and Anurag's mind, and we started thinking of possibilities where we can bridge this gap. And then The idea, I would say, is Anurag's.
Okay.
It is his baby, and I was there to support him, and now I have taken full charge of it.
So now you're into full time into this.
Yes.
Okay. So coming to this job portal, it is both for the hiring managers who are looking to hire CAs, or what other positions your portal gives?
So anything related to finance. So right from a CA inter to CA CFO positions we have closed.
Okay.
So right from financial planning, audit, tax, then maybe a financial reporting role, an MIS role, a budgeting role, or anything that is related to finance where a CA is required to be hired.
Okay.
We work on those mandates.
Okay.
And additionally, we also work for cost accountants, company secretaries, and semi-qualified finance professionals.
Also, I was reading somewhere, I think it was on your LinkedIn, like this portal has got, I think, 10 million views.
Yes.
I mean, it's amazing, big numbers, and I'm sure there must have been some kind of challenges initially when you started with the portal. So
Both of us being from non-tech background was one of the biggest challenge, creating a portal in itself. So we are still in construction stage. I wouldn't say the portal is a wow portal, but given our offline reach to candidates as well as corporates, we've been able to manage to get somewhere. But yes, the portal is still a work in progress.
I can understand, because coming from finance background to completely a technical stuff.
Yeah.
So, every day, technology is evolving.
Yes.
So, obviously.
So I don't understand what is a .NET. I
Okay.
don't understand which platform we are working on. So every time the developer will call me and say that, okay, this is the problem and this needs to be fixed. We have to change the platform. I go bizarre. What is happening? I really don't know. So, but Anurag is very talented, I would say. He is able to manage all of this. And I take care of the operations. So sales and marketing is his forte.
Okay.
And the operations and conversions and the back-end work, I take care of.
Wonderful. So, can you take us through a success story of a client, thoda sa elaborate way mein ki this was a milestone or a testimony for you guys?
So, for corporates, we work as recruitment vendors also.
Okay.
Wherein we, so since we have built up a database in the past 10 years of operations, so now clients come up with, okay, this is the filters that are there in a mandate. You need to find a CA who has a plant finance experience, who is not more than 32 years of age and should fit into the CDC budget of 30 lakhs.
मतलब ये सारे
ये
फिल्टर्स
सारे फिल्टर्स मैच होने चाहिए.
Okay.
एंड पता नहीं क्यों फॉर सीए जॉब पोर्टल वी ऑलवेज गेट क्लिफ हैंगर्स. मतलब जो उनके बाकी रिक्रूटमेंट वेंडर्स से नहीं
हो रहा है,
वो ही आएगा हमारे
सबसे टफ क्राइटेरिया.
हाँ. तो इवन इन सच सिचुएशंस वी हैव बीन एबल टू क्लोज पोजीशंस. अभी रिसेंटली हमने एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी के लिए उनको सीएफओ चाहिए था फॉर अ वेरी रिमोट लोकेशन इन ओरिसा.
Okay.
So we were able to close that position, and that has been a really good success story, I would say.
So आप ये हायरिंग सिर्फ पैन इंडिया कर रहे हैं कि आउटसाइड इंडिया भी अभी कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट्स आ
So
रही
we
हैं?
work in 6 countries along
Okay.
with India. So it includes China, Singapore,
Oh,
and Middle East.
very nice.
But वो मतलब क्या बोलूँ मैं, जितने भी ऑफशोर रिक्वायरमेंट्स आते हैं वो बहुत कम आते हैं. अब्रॉड अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत कम होती हैं. सो मेजर जंक इज इन इंडिया, but pan India.
So, coming to these kind of requirements which are coming from outside India, so how you're positioning your portal? I mean, how you're reaching them?
So sales and marketing definitely plays a big role, and also the candidates that we have placed in the past, they are a testimony to our thing, and we from word of mouth, I would say.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So, how did your CA qualification help in your company in regards to the operations and the management side?
So that has been a very big asset to me, I would say. Since we are hiring only finance professionals, if you don't understand the subject,
Right.
it's going to be very difficult. So even when we approach HRs for new mandates and stuff, they are only excited because of the fact that a CA is hiring a CA. They
Right.
would get technical expertise. And in terms of candidates, they cannot hoodwink us. They cannot say that okay, आपको क्या पता, आप तो सिर्फ एक रिक्रूटर हो,
बट आप वो सब्जेक्ट को जानते
आप
हो.
उस सब्जेक्ट को जानते हो. You know what is financial planning, you know what is budgeting.
राइट.
तो आपको ऐसे ही कोई कुछ भी नहीं बोल के निकल सकता है. अगर एक टैक्स का पोजीशन हम हायर कर रहे हैं तो हमें पता है जीएसटी क्या होती है, जीएसटी यार फाइल कब होती है, हमें पता है. तो यू कैन नॉट जस्ट से कि आप तो कंसल्टेंट हो, आपको क्या पता.
वेरी
तो
ट्रू.
वो 1 राउंड ऑफ स्क्रीनिंग हम कर सकते हैं, विच इज द एक्साइटर ऑन द क्लाइंट्स पार्ट कि हाँ ये हमारा टाइम सेव कर रहे हैं.
So you take out the filtered candidates.
But the recruitment industry is filled of challenges. Matlab, since the human aspect is involved,
Right.
there are a lot of things which are beyond our control. We know the technical part of it, but when it comes to human interface, वो बहुत मुश्किल है. So a candidate will give all the rounds of interviews and back out at the end saying मैं तो बस अपना market value test कर रहा था.
Then your
आपकी
efforts go
पूरी
waste.
हाँ आपकी पूरी मेहनत बेकार हो गई. एंड ऊपर से आपको क्लाइंट क्या बोलेगा कि आपका कैंडिडेट तो बैकआउट कर गया, आई विल नॉट गिव यू एनी वर्क इन फ्यूचर.
So it at times your reputation gets damaged in
Yes.
front of the client.
Yes, most of the times, and that is not because of your skills. It is because of someone's lack of certainty या फिर clarity नहीं है कि लाइफ में करना क्या है. Things like this.
So I
I
understand.
had so stupid reasons for backout. एक इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट के लिए हम हायर कर रहे थे,
Okay.
तो वो थोड़ा रिमोट लोकेशन था इन साउथ अफ्रीका.
Okay.
कैंडिडेट बोला मेरी शादी नहीं होगी,
Okay.
मैं नहीं जाऊंगा.
हाँ
भाई तुमने पहले प्लेस में अप्लाई क्यों किया,
Right.
नहीं करना था ना.
हाँ.
बोला नहीं, अब मुझे ऑफर मिल गया तो मैं इस ऑफर से नेगोशिएट कर लूंगा अपनी करंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, बट वहां चला गया तो मेरी शादी नहीं हो. So things like these happen day in
I
and
mean,
day out.
very unpredictable pattern. I mean, you know, such behaviors really hampers your profession then.
Yes, they do.
Totally.
But it has become a part and parcel of our life, daily lives, I would say. तो अब आदत हो गई है.
Yes. So, Sonia ji, you are a mother, you're an entrepreneur, a professional. How do you balance things? How do you juggle up in between these roles?
So I've come to terms to the fact कि मैं सब कुछ नहीं कर सकती. I can be a 33% mother, I can be a 33% homemaker, and I can be a 50% professional. उससे ज्यादा possible नहीं है. 120% से ज्यादा मैं नहीं दे सकती. So I've come to terms with this. So I miss PTMs if I have a meeting scheduled. And my mother-in-law is very supportive. She takes care of the home and kids. My father-in-law takes care of the kids very well. So वहां से मुझे बहुत support है, इसीलिए I am able to do what I'm doing today.
That's amazing. So many women would be inspired if they are looking at
Yeah,
your
you
podcast.
have to come to terms कि भाई सब कुछ नहीं हो सकता, कुछ तो छूटेगा ही.
Right. So how do you see success, or how do you define success as on today where you're standing from the time when you qualified as a CA?
See, I have taken a complete U-turn in terms of career, what I thought my career would be and what it actually is. मैंने सोचा था मैं एक टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट अगर मुझे PSU जॉब मिल जाती तो आई वुड हैव बीन वेरी हैप्पी. 9 to 5 जॉब एंड उसके बाद यू आर ऑन योर ओन, बट ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. तो अभी द थिंग्स आर लाइक कितना भी कर लो वो यू आर ऑलवेज बिहाइंड समबडी, एंड व्हेन यू हैव अ थिंग ऑफ योर ओन यू ऑलवेज हैव टू थिंक ऑफ ग्रोथ कि हाँ ये x मिल गया तो 2x पे पहुंचना है, 2x मिल गया तो 5x पे पहुंचना है, विजिबिलिटी बढ़ानी है. तो इट्स सक्सेस इज अ वेरी कंपैरेटिव थिंग नाउ, मतलब उसका कोई पैरामीटर्स ही नहीं है.
So, stepping into this entrepreneurial shoes, I can very much relate when you're doing something you have to take multiple decisions in a day,
Yes.
and for your company, for everyone looking around. So at back of the mind, it's always being thought, am I being judged? And
Yes, I am being judged
And,
every now and then.
we always look for a better performance, not only from our employees but from ourselves as well. So how do you navigate between these thoughts? I mean, how do you put forward your toes?
So you have to put this question behind that you're being judged. तो जज तो सब करेंगे और हमेशा ही करेंगे, तो जितना कर सकते हैं उतना करेंगे और अपने आप को बेटर बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे एवरीडे. उससे ज्यादा तो हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते.
Very true. So what one myth you would like to bust about CA job or practice?
ओके, मिथ तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है बताना, बट हाँ अभी जो ट्रेंड दिख रहा है उसमें व्हाट आई रियलाइज्ड इज कि जेन ज़ी बहुत ज्यादा सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंस्ड है.
Yes.
दे आर फार फ्रॉम रियलिटी. तो वो एक कहीं ना कहीं वो ब्रिज करना इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि यू गिव देम द क्लियर पिक्चर. खाली उनको गुडी गुडी स्टफ दिखाने से नहीं होगा,
Reality check.
उनको रियलिटी चेक भी देना पड़ेगा. Gen Z is completely influenced by social media. और अभी when I speak to CA freshers specifically for jobs, they are very high aspirants. They are very high aspirants. मतलब as CA freshers हम जब हमने क्वालिफाई किया था तो हम बहुत ग्राउंडेड थे. हमें लग रहा था कि अच्छा मार्केट रेट ये है CA फ्रेशर का, तो समवेयर क्लोज हमें मिल जाए तो वी आर फाइन विद इट.
I get you.
या एंड अभी इतना तो मिनिमम मिलना ही चाहिए मैम, इससे कम में तो होगा ही नहीं. अच्छा तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस क्या है? मैंने एक मिड साइज फर्म से किया है आर्टिकलशिप. तो भैया ये सब बिग 4 वाले आर्टिकलशिप को मिलता है, मिड साइज को वो भी क्लाइंट भी अपने हिसाब से देगा. नंबर ऑफ अटेंड्स लोगों के 8-8, 9-9 हैं एंड उसके बाद उनका एक्सपेक्टेशन अ मिनिमम ऑफ 12 lakhs. सो कम अक्रॉस पीपल लाइक दिस. एंड क्यों? क्योंकि मार्केट में मैम यही अवेलेबल है.
Very well pointed.
Yes. So this is if you can put it as a myth, you can put it as a myth also.
Yes.
कि the Gen Z is not seeing the ground reality at all.
So there are a lot of CA aspirants or experienced CAs, who can't take these bold decisions of stepping out and starting their own, maybe a startup, or want to leave a job. So what would you recommend them?
ये तो मैंने मेरे घर में ही देखा है. So Anurag took almost 3 years to decide कि नहीं अब it is the right time to take the plunge. तो वो obviously ना आपके bills हैं, आपके EMIs हैं, आपको वो डिसीजन लेने में हमेशा ही वो स्केप्टिज्म होगा ही कि भाई घर कैसे चलेगा. तो when CA job portal got stable, I was earning well, तब he could decide कि अच्छा चलो अब मैं अपना प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट कर सकता हूँ.
But family में वैसा support भी चाहिए. I mean, you were there to support him, maybe emotionally and financially as well.
So it is vice versa, right? When I was out of job, तो उसने एक पोर्टल पूरा खड़ा कर दिया. And when I was earning well, तो he could decide कि चलो अब मैं जॉब छोड़कर प्रैक्टिस में आता हूँ. So it is always both sides.
Yes. So had you not been a CA, where do you see yourself? What you would have done?
पता नहीं. सच में पता नहीं.
Okay. So what do hiring managers look in a CA today apart from experience and qualification?
So I would say they look at the overall personality of the person.
Okay.
Abhi, it's not just about technical side. So there have been cases where the candidate has cleared the technical rounds, but HR ने मना कर दिया because the person is not suitable for their organization in terms of the personality they are looking at. या leadership skills नहीं है उस बंदे में. So at all levels अब आजकल वो लोग देखते हैं कि वो zeal है कि नहीं कैंडिडेट में for leadership. Going forward वो as a leader emerge होगा या नहीं होगा. So अब वो routine jobs की जरूरत बहुत कम हो गई है. Given the AI has come in so much, तो routine jobs के लिए लोग नहीं hire कर रहे. तो you have to appear as a person who can be a team builder, who can be a leader, who can work in a team and influence the team.
Right.
So these personal skills have become very important. और ऑब्वियसली सिर्फ पहले जैसे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट को बैलेंस शीट बनाना आना चाहिए था, अब उतना नहीं रह गया है. अब यू हैव टू नो द एआई, यू हैव टू नो चैट जीपीटी, यू हैव
Right.
टू नो एक्सेल वेरी गुड वेल. सो थिंग्स लाइक दीज आर वर्किंग आउट दीज डेज.
Now people need an all-rounder.
या तो बहुत सारे केसेस में एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट पहले ही हो जाता है
अच्छा.
कि उसके बाद ही उनका एप्लीकेशन आगे जाता है. तो फर्स्ट दे सी कि अच्छा इस बंदे को एक्सेल का एक टेस्ट दे देते हैं या एक केस स्टडी दे देते हैं. अगर वो इसमें अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगा देन वील कॉल हिम फॉर अ टेक्निकल राउंड.
Okay.
तो थिंग्स लाइक दीज आर इमर्जिंग इन recruitment.
So you're quite active on social media. So how this has helped you professionally?
मेरा तो सारा काम ही सोशल मीडिया से ही है. सो गेटिंग कैंडिडेट्स एज वेल एज रीचिंग आउट टू न्यू क्लाइंट्स. Unless and until you make people feel your presence, they will not give you work.
So what advice you would give, to finance professionals, why personal branding is important?
Yeah, personal branding today is very important. Unless you are, so visibility is one thing which has come up as a biggest tool in terms of your future growth. अगर आप visible हो तो फिर लोग आपको कंसिडर करेंगे. There are cases where you might be good technically, but since you're not available on social medias or you're not, there are वहाँ 4 लोग नहीं है जो आपके बारे में बोल सके, तो फिर आप मतलब even if you're technically good, आपका कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
हमारे पेरेंट्स बोलते थे कि अच्छा काम करो तो लोग तुम्हें जानेंगे पहचानेंगे, बट आज के दिन में अगर हम वो अच्छा काम नहीं दिखा रहे हैं 4 लोगों के सामने,
हाँ करेक्ट,
तो कोई नहीं जानेगा.
कोई नहीं जानेगा. तो काम भी करो और उसको दिखाओ भी, भाई ये हमने किया है. अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू डू दैट, कोई ना कोई आपका क्रेडिट छीन के ले जाएगा एंड आप वहीं के वहीं रह जाओगे. ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स तो हर जगह होती है, तो अगर उससे बचना है तो यू हैव टू डू दैट पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग. भाई ये काम मैंने किया है, ये मेरा आइडिया है. ये चीज लोगों को बताना और जताना आज की डेट में बहुत जरूरी है.
That's a good takeaway. One finance myth, you would like to bust, or one trend which excites you and which worries you.
I would say AI. Both it excites me as well as अभी चैट जीपीटी का जितना यूज हो रहा है, तो all your financial data is on chat GPT, which is also at risk. Yes. So in fact मेरी टीम ने अभी MIS बनाने के लिए चैट जीपीटी यूज करना शुरू कर दिया. तो कैंडिडेट इंफॉर्मेशन मोस्ट ऑफ इट चैट जीपीटी हैज. तो साइबर सिक्योरिटी तो डेफिनेटली एक कंसर्न है.
It's a challenge.
Yes.
Thank you, Sonia, for joining us today. Sonia's journey has been inspiring, which shows we don't have to have a stick template, but we can create our own career blueprint, though we are a CA. To anyone who is looking for a job or any hiring managers who are looking for finance experts, you can contact Sonia. We'll be sharing her LinkedIn and Instagram profile in the chat. Also, please like, share, and subscribe our podcast. Also, refer and share any CA's journey. Who would you like to see on our next podcast? Till then, keep inspiring, stay bold, and stay beautiful. Thank you. Signing off, CA Harsha Agarwal.